1951 Ford F1 pickup here at Unique, especially in classics. Flathead V8 power underneath the hood, paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. Let's go ahead and get a good look at the front grille, headlights and bezels, some of the bright work on the hood. Great looking front end on these. That classic early 50s styling. Red exterior, gray vinyl bench seat. Perfect truck for your roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, taking out and driving it. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, bed, and all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Steel wheel, Ford hubcaps or center caps, beauty rings, white wall radial tires. And tires are date coded 2005 and 2006, just so you're aware of that. Two different sets, 05 and 06. Brakes are 80% in the front, 80% in the rear. And you can see, paint has a decent shine to it. Is it perfect? No. You're going to find a little scuff, maybe a little bit of a nick here or there, but overall, has a nice shine to it. And like I said, one of those trucks, get in, drive it, enjoy it. Roll-ins, cruise-ins, there's a good look at the bed. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. There's a little peek at the interior. Again, gray vinyl bench seat. Red and gray two-tone dash. In the still pictures, there's going to be some miscellaneous parts. I'll make sure I have these spread out. They'll go along with it. Full-size spare goes in the bed. Let's take a look at the rear. It does have dual exhaust, 12-volt system. Battery's dated 2025, so newer battery in it. There's a good look at the tailgate too. Kind of a hand-painted or airbrushed Ford on the tailgate. Technician noted the wipers work. He also stated the flatty runs right at 180 degrees. Tell you what, if you like these old Ford trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. And in with the still pictures, you'll see this truck from every angle too. There's probably close to 100 pictures of it on our website. All right, interior door panels matching the vinyl bench seat, rubber flooring down. So nice, clean, tidy interior in this one. Headliner, visors intact. Push button start, of course, over here. So I'm going to turn the key this side right here. We're in neutral. Push the button. And typically, like usual, those flatties pop right over. Oil pressure's coming up. Fuel gauge, temp gauge, battery. Door closes nicely. Let's listen. Nothing too crazy. Nice sounding flatty. A little receiver hitch too if you want to pull a trailer at all. Be a fun truck for parades too, your local parades. A little candy getting thrown out. Somebody riding in the back. All right, let me pause this a second. I'm going to take two hands to get this hood open, take a look at that engine, and then Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, if you can get a look at that underside of the hood and engine bay. Ford 2-barrel on there. And again, 12-volt system. Smooth running flatty. Tech noted the points are good in it. '51 Ford F1 pickup. Number to call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus.
Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars,
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're taking a ride in a bright red 1951 Ford F1 pickup truck. You've heard of F-150. This is the predate for that, the F1, the first F-Series truck. We have turn signal indicators that work right in the gauge. This is a 3 on the tree manual transmission. There's a little bit of squeak in that clutch pedal. Nothing a little oil wouldn't fix. A little lubricant. Nice running truck, idled great right away. Now the temperature gauge reads high, I wouldn't trust that one. Take a look at our retail report, it'll tell you what gauges are functioning as they should. It's in the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com. Now the battery gauge is charging a little over half. As you can tell, there is some slack in the steering wheel. Once you're used to it, it's not too concerning. A little bit expected in a truck this age. The fuel gauge reads 3/4 of a tank. The oil pressure is 30 psi. The speedometer appears to be working. It says we're doing 50. Feels like about 50. Beautiful interior, gray panels, gray seat, bench seat, matching that dash and the hood liner. The blower motor works. The wipers also work on this truck. A beautiful wood bed and a red finish on the exterior. A lot of things feel original in this truck. Brakes are smooth. I don't get any pulsation from the braking. There's that clutch pedal noise. Easy to steer with that large steering wheel. Beautiful red 1951 F1 Ford pickup truck. You can find all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.